At least what happened in Student of the Year, we were barely, I think, listening to each other also. तो वो scenes थोड़ा सा mechanically हो रहा था क्योंकि we were so nervous.
Brands are chasing her. Every actor is dying to work with her. Meet the young hottie Alia Bhatt. Hi Alia, welcome to Spot Boy.
Thank you.
So tell me Alia, let's start with Kapoor and Sons, your big film which is due up for release. Tell us, what are you doing in it? What exactly? You are definitely not playing the son.
No, definitely not the Son. So there's Kapoor and Sons. I'm the and in Kapoor and Sons. I bridge the gap. Like everybody needs that one probably link in their life that takes them a little bit away from the family. You know, you have family, you have friends, you have close cousins, you have whatever rishtedars, you have, you know, strangers. So I'm probably a stranger who becomes a friend. But it's also my perspective along with the audience's perspective into the Kapoor and Sons family, because it's such a rich and such a big family and so much, there's so much drama and so much love and so much happening. It's almost like I'm looking at their world along with the audience.
So how do you find yourself in this movie? Sandwich between the two?
Not really sandwich. I would definitely.
Fawad and Siddharth?
It's definitely. I mean, it will be really nice to be sandwiched between both of them. But it's definitely not a love triangle. That's for sure. Of course, there is love and there is romance, but it is focusing more on just relationships in general. So even whether it's my relationships with my own family or their relationships with each other, and just having a perspective into somebody's life in general. That's basically what it is.
Yeah. So tell us, how did you? I mean, कैसा लगा आपको सिद्धार्थ से काम करते हुए, फवाद से काम करते हुए?
Well, Sid and I worked together on Student. उसके बाद we've not worked together. He went and did his films, I went and did my films. So coming back together and working in Kapoor and Sons is very interesting because we got that time apart. And we got to learn and do other stuff and come back together, and this time we were far more comfortable. And now I think we just were enjoying doing scenes and saying dialogues, not stressing about कि अभी ये हिंदी में ठीक से बोलना है, ये word miss हो रहा है, dialogue. At least what happened in Student of the Year, we were barely, I think, listening to each other also. तो वो scenes थोड़ा सा mechanically हो रहा था क्योंकि we were so nervous. This time we were kind of getting into the skin of the character and just enjoying it. So that was very different. And of course, very, very lovely. It's always nice to be around him because it feels like family. So there's no like stress कि अभी ये क्या सोचेगा, वो क्या होगा. There's no discomfort, I would say. Of course, I had heard so much about Fawad before I started working. My mother and her friends crazy about Fawad because his fan following because of his show is massive, especially in that particular bracket.
That's right.
So I was obviously very intrigued to see, you know, how I've not seen any of his work before. I mean, I'd seen Khoobsurat, but I'd not seen like his TV show. I wanted to see more of him as an actor, and I was completely blown away. He is so giving and so present and so like he just. I feel like an actor's performance only gets better with the other actor. And I really play off my co-star, and I really got to do that with Fawad.
Did you find it tough to do romantic scenes with him? He is married. He says, you know, his wife is very possessive about him.
See, you know, anyway, I think when we're acting, we're never really romancing the person. We're romancing a character. So what they have, whether they're married, not married, whatever, I don't think it really matters because it's a character thingy. And it's not like we were really romancing each other.
You're moving into a new house very soon. Tell us, why did you decide to live separately?
Technical reasons, I need more space. I'm living out of boxes. Clothes are overflowing, shoes are overflowing. I can't find 90% of the things. बहुत सारे meetings जो मैं करना चाहती हूँ, I can't do it in my house because I have to respect my parents' timings, my sister's timings. You know, fittings कभी-कभी बहुत late रात को होता है, कभी बहुत सुबह जल्दी उठना पड़ता है, getting ready. So just basically for lack of space, because I have to do a lot of things and I don't want to intrude in their life. So I bought a house, but also I don't want to be too far away from my parents because I'm still very, very young and I want to be close to them. So it's literally 10 steps away from my existing house.
That's right.
And I'm taking my sister along with me because I can't live alone.
Okay.
मैं room में रात को अंधेरे में सो नहीं सकती हूँ. I don't know how I'm going to live in a house alone. So me and my sister are moving in together. And it's been our dream actually. We used to, जब हम छोटे थे, we used to talk about, before I even became an actor, we used to say, हाँ, we'll call it Casa Shaheen and Alia. Oh, Shaheen and Alia's Casa. So it's a very big dream come true that we both are moving in
So
together.
when are you moving?
In Juhu only, like.
No, when?
When? The plan was to move in by the time my birthday comes, but now I think there is going to be a little bit of a delay because a lot of work is still left on the house because I was shooting in Goa, so I didn't have time to finalize a lot of things, but it'll be in the next couple of months for sure.
So technical reasons you said, but any other reason? Privacy?
No, I wouldn't say privacy.
Friends
because
drop in, mom is there, dad is there.
Yeah, and I wouldn't say the thing is they're very liberal and they're very cool. So they let me my friends can drop in, but they don't have an issue. But I'm assuming that it'll be more comfortable for them if I just have my own space.
You have become a favorite with Karan Johar. You are Karan Johar's favorite. There's no denying that.
I wouldn't say I'm my favorite.
What do you think about him? How much do you love him?
Karan's like my father. I mean, there's no doubt about that. Like I would say if there's anybody who I can say is my family in the industry, it would definitely be Karan. I don't look at him as anything lesser than a father. So I think it'll be difficult to ask the father to say that his daughter is his favorite. Like it's kind of natural and unsaid that he is that close to me.
That's right.
Yeah.
So he's decided to give his wealth to you. He said, बाकी जितने पैसे बचेंगे वो आलिया के होंगे मेरे.
I think उन्होंने बस ऐसे कह दिया था. I don't know that actually happened, but it doesn't matter. I just want his presence in my life.
You become very friendly with Priyanka on Twitter. She's asking you for tips on a bikini body. How do you react to that?
No,
Are you giving her the tips?
PC, no, I don't need to give her any tips. If there's anybody who's nailed the swimsuit body first was her. But she's very sweet. I've always been very, very fond of her. And right now, I think I'm not the only one. Everybody's extremely proud of her. So जब वो Oscars का photo आया था, I had just put out a tweet saying how lovely she was looking. And she's very, very good. She always responds. Not only me, she responds to everybody on Twitter.
That's right.
She responded very sweetly. So that's the normal relationship that I share with her.
आपको ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है आपको भी हॉलीवुड फिल्म करनी चाहिए अभी?
मुझे डेफिनेटली करनी है, पर टाइम तो आएगी. अभी तो आई हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड आउट. मुझे यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा वो करना है, फिर वहाँ जाके अपने आप हो जाएगा.
You had a great run, but did Shandar disappoint?
Of course it did. But I think it's also important. I'm very happy that happened in a way, because I feel it changed a lot of things for me mentally. I feel a far more hyper kind of person before that about my films. I've become far more calmer in terms of like just happy and just less worried and just like let the film do its thing. One would think that a failure would make you more worried, but it didn't make me more worried. It just made me more stronger as a person, and one needs to see that, and I'm really happy that it happened because I had not seen it. All my films before that had done well.
So was that initial part overconfidence, would you call it?
No, not overconfidence. I was just very, very lucky, and also the projects and the directors and the films fell in place very well. And this time I chose a film script. I had no doubts about Shandar when I signed it. I was very, very happy about the script that I signed.
So क्या हुआ? What do you think? What happened?
I would not blame it on one particular person. There are things that happen. It's every day is not a Sunday. So there are some days that go wrong, and it didn't come together. That's something that I would say is a collaborative team struggle. Like I would not blame it on one person at all.
3 big films coming your way. The interview will be incomplete without SRK, of course. That film we want to know
SRK,
about.
where is he?
Tell us about working with him. You started shooting with him.
Yeah, we shot and he went back also. It was I mean, for me it was a phenomenal experience. Ek to it was like, oh, I'm working with Shah Rukh first. Like, okay, just breathe. Accept this. You're working
Nervous?
with Shah Rukh Khan. Yeah, very, very nervous. But he was fantastic. Most amazing and most giving, present, just easy and so helpful. I learned so much from him in those days that we worked together.
And the other 2 movies which you are coming up with?
Urta Punjab in June.
That's right.
And this Kapoor and Sons Urta Punjab and
The movie with Ayan.
हाँ वो तो इस साल नहीं रिलीज होगी, वो तो शुरू होगी इस साल. I'll start shooting for it this year.
Thank you so much for this.
Thank you.